Ay, it's raining. Gusto ko sana mag-walking, pero it's raining. Gusto ko mag-exercise. Sige, siguro ganito na lang. Instead of mag-walk, siguro mag-stairs na lang ako paakyat hanggang sa doon. So, akitin ko na lang paakyat. Yun na exercise ko ngayon. Siguro mga 44 floors. No, it's not 44. Mula basement 1, aakyat ako hanggang roof deck. Sige, good luck sa atin. Masakit pa naman yung paa ko. Kasi sa gym. We'll see. So, mag-start ako ng basement 1, paakyat hanggang roof deck. For sure, tagaktak pawis ko nito. Ganun kataas. Anyway, so today is a Wednesday. First floor. Today is a Wednesday. And, dami ito. Mezzanine. Second floor. So, mataas-taas to ah. So, today, nag-complete lang ako ng mga medical exam ko for pre-employment. And, madaming blood test, mga ganyan, for drug test. Daming kailangang exams, medical exams. Grabe, 4th floor pa lang hingal na ako. Well, kasi naglakad din ako kanina. 5. Let's see. Hanggang anong floor tayo? Or kaya ito? So anyway, since 44 years old na ako, tatarik. Since 44 years old na ako, I decided to adjust yung lifestyle ko. 7th floor. So I decided to adjust yung lifestyle ko to a healthier options. Meaning food, exercise, sleeping habits, social baguhin. Okay, 9th floor. Kaya pa na isang floor. Kasi hindi tayo bata. Middle age na. Middle age na. So, kailangan yung lifestyle ko baguhin na. Yung food, i-adjust. Low carb. 12, sorry. Pahinga muna. So, kailangan i-adjust ko rin yung aking lifestyle. According to my age. Kasi, yun nga, mahirap na. Sabi nila, assume that your age. Kumbaga, pagdating mo na 40, i-assume mo na yung health mo ay hindi na ganun kalakas. So, having said that, yung mga gagawin kong change of habit. Number 1, syempre, I will eat healthy. Pag-usapan namin ito ng wife ko kagabi. Low carb. Tapos, no more snacking. Quit snacks. Eat only when necessary. I mean, kung hindi gutom, kumain. No more refined sugar. No more soft drinks. No more juice. No more iced tea. So, limit na lang to. Limit 17. Limit na lang yung drink ko to water, lemon water, cucumber water, apple cider vinegar. Ayun. And then more fibrous fruits. Yung fruits, asin ko lang yung mga grapes, banana siguro, iwasan ko na rin. Pero mas mahal kasi yung option, but pag-iipunan, I mean, sasama sa budget. Blueberries, strawberries, legumes, nuts. Shift tayo sa ganong klaseng food. Pero, wala lang matatamis na drink. And food naman, iwas sodium. As much as possible, pag marami na kayang sodium, drink plenty of water. Yan yung gagawin ko. Tapos pagka merong hanap ako ng sporting activities or something to keep me active, isa sa mga nakaiisip ko for now is to go back to running. 10 kilometers lang because one of the reasons why I stopped running is because na-injure yung tuhod ko. So kailangan mag-ingat din. Mag-ingat sa tinatakbo. Alamin lang yung kaya. Ako hanggang 10 kilometers lang. Based from experience. And parang I need a sport. 20 seconds. Parang I need a sport. Dati kasi nagbabadminton ako. Basketball. When I was younger, football. Kailangan ko na something ganun. Iniisip ko yung kung okay ba yung pickleball. Hindi ko sure kung okay yung pickleball kasi alamig pa yung rules. Wala magpapawis. During the pandemic, ginagawa ko exercise. Shooting, basketball, ganun. Shooting lang. 1 hour na ganun. Routine pa rin namin yung exercise. Kami naman ng wife ko, active kami sa Awaken Gym. Every week, nag-gym so far. And we'll keep that lifestyle. Kasi bukod sa physical, pati mental health na-affect or nagbe-benefit pagka nag-ano tayo, nag-exercise. And na-appreciate naman namin yung coach namin, si Coach Julio. Kasi tinutulungan kami maging healthy. Nagbibigay siya ng healthy tips, diet tips, workout assignments. Na okay, kahit trabaho niya yun, nag-e-exert siya ng extra effort para mas maging healthy kami. And since napag-usapan ko na rin natin yung awaken, naisip ko rin, what if next year sasali ako sa what do you call this? Sasali ako sa Hyrox. I'll start training dahan-dahan ngayon for Hyrox. Kasi medyo matindi at strenuous ang Hyrox. Kasi it's a combination of cardio. Cardio and strength. Yun ang Hyrox. Kailangan training. Kailangan mo ng Hyrox partner. Para ka-alternate. Kailangan din discipline. Kailangan ng gear. Ano ka? Sa 30th floor. So yung Hyrox, napansin ko na important yung gear. Important yung practice. Important yung conditioning. Gear, una. Kasi sobrang higpit na exercise. Sobrang hirap. I think kailangan mo ng light. Kailangan ko ng light shoe, light damit. Para dagdag weight yun eh. Imagine ang damit pag pinawisan. Bumibigat din siya. And kailangan ng magandang diet. Hindi kasi pwedeng what do you call this? Hindi supervised ang diet pagka ganun. Katindi yung training. Important na may enough fuel yung body whenever doing exercises such as Hyrox. Siyempre, kailangan mo ng money. Kailangan ng ipon. Kasi Hyrox competition are usually held outside of the country. Yung mga taga-awaken, I think Thailand, Hong Kong. Isa tayo nag-Hong Kong. May Singapore. May Japan soon. May Japan doon. And natin sa Japan, sa Europe, magkaroon din. 36. 36. 36th floor. Almost. Grabe. Pawis na ako. 37th floor. Medyo pangit yung lighting here. Pero nasa 37th floor na ako. Tomorrow morning may gym pa. May workout pa kami ni Coach Julio tomorrow morning. Ang basement 1, 37th floor na ako. Hanggang roof deck to. 15 minutes na halos. Dire-diretso. Okay, tuloy tayo. Okay. Ilalive ko sana to pero baka mawala ng signal sa stairs eh. So, video ko na lang. Upload ko later. Nilagyan ko ng konting edits. And back to diet at saka iwas carbs, bawas carbs. As in, ang carbs dapat ang carbs ko dapat ay 20% lang. And then, yung protein and fiber dadagdagan ko. And no more soft drinks. No more soft drinks. No more iced tea. No more milk, siguro. No more milk. Replace ko dun. Kasi kailangan yung milk para papupo ko. What if pagtan ko ulit ng kefir? Dahil kasi nagkikefir ako. Ibalik ko yung kefir. Pero I need to culture again yung kefir. Gagawa ako ng starter ulit. Tapos everyday ko dapat inumin para hindi ako na siraan ng cultured kefir. Yun siguro, no? Hindi ako okay na sa milk. Yun na yung aking milk substitute. It's healthier and healthier for gut. It can help sa almoranas ko. It can help sa my digestion, energy. Ayun, sa 43rd. You can see, nagkaktak na yung pawis ko. 44th floor. My age. Ayun, nasa floor na to. Okay. And then, 44th floor. Penthouse. Malikabok lang. Penthouse. And roof deck. Yeah, sa roof deck na ako. And it's raining. So hindi sure. Malamig-lamig naman. Actually, ambon na lang. Pero sobrang pawisan na ako. Basang-basa na ako ng pawis. Okay. Pawisan na. So since alright. Yun ako na mas mataas. Okay, since dito na ako, I need support from you guys para matuloy-tuloy ko yung healthy lifestyle na yun. Watch pa yan pagka may diet ako or meron akong vlog about food. Ayun. This vlog will remind me to watch over or bantayan ko yung kinakain ko kasi I want you to become I want you to be the witness sa mga errands ko ito. So, kung kakain akong karinderya or somewhere, half rice lang, mas maraming ulam, especially gulay. Hindi mawala ang gulay. At saka, hindi rin mawala ang protein. Important yung protein kasi yung building blocks ng ating katawan to gain muscles. Actually, kung meron kang muscles, mas maganda yung opportunity, mas maganda yung yung pag-burn ng fats. Tsaka mas nilalabas na yung pawis ng muscles. Siguro addition na lang, supplements. Pag-ano ko may supplements. Supplements. Siguro magnesium. Para naman to supplement my body. So, yun. So, the reason why I'm doing this is I want to be an inspiration to all na kahit may edad na or nagkakaedad na, I want to be still healthy. Meron akong gusto ma-achieve in terms of physique. Dapat mukha akong surfer. Nakaka-inspire kasi yung mga surfer body ng mga nakilala namin mga surfers eh. So gagawin natin yan. And I want to be I want to be there for my family. If ever may kailangan, for example, bubuhat or anything that will require my physical strength, I want to be present. I want to be of help sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak ko. And that's one of the reasons why kaya kami nag-gym ng wife ko. Siyempre, yung mga physical needs kami na kailangan i-address. And I think this school can help. That goal can help us both. See, pumapayat na naman ako. Di sa last time, pero yung bill hindi na nawawala. Nandiyan pa rin yung bill. So I want to fix that. I want to solve that. And I want muscles din. So kung maging macho, kahit pa paano. Okay, siguro if you want to I'll end this vlog. And bonus na yung track na magka-calisthenics or konting workout lang. Dito lang, stretching, tapos konting hindi ko lang kung Tai Chi ba yung tawag doon, pero okay, medyo pagod na. That's it, Pansit. I think it's almost, it's 35 minutes na. Mag-walk na lang ako. But thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry, ganito walang edit lang. Create, upload lang as is. Pasensya na kayo at walang edit. Kung na-bore kayo, pasensya na. Pero I give some tips naman doon sa video. This is just me declaring that from day on, I'll be more conscious about what I eat, mag-exercise, and it's a healthy lifestyle. I'll be more conscious about it. Alright, sige, I'll do it every morning or every afternoon, but basta I will not miss an exercise a day. And I will document it. Hindi ka to haba next time. This is just me declaring this healthy lifestyle. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I'll walk around habang hindi na umuulan, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.